Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going pretty good, extremely well. Okay, so a couple of my honeys have asked me to show them how I diamond paint. I'm a newbie at this. I've been doing this for maybe a week now, and I finished 2 diamond paintings, and I'm working on my 3rd. So I'm going to show you what I do. And if some of y'all who have been doing this a while, y'all got some tips for me, I'm open for tips, okay? Because didn't nobody come here knowing everything. Okay, so let me lower this. I'm going to turn this light on, and I'm going to turn my... Okay, this is what I'll be working on, and it's on my light pad. And I'll be putting on my magnifier glasses to help me see. Some of us need some help seeing, okay? Once I hit 50 years old, I needed glasses. And that was many, 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 many moons ago. So let me lower this and show you what I do. Okay, I got to lower this so y'all can see that. And I think I have to lower this whole tripod. I got a little bitty tripod on my table. Let me see. Not that one. Okay. Is that too close? Need some more light. I don't know how to make y'all see it. Okay, let me. Can I lower this some more? I think that's it. Okay. Put a few more beads. These are mainly for close-up work. Otherwise, I can't see nothing. So, I'm looking on the legend right here. That's the key. And I numbered my bottles of... It looks so dark. Can you see that? That's too dark. What I'm gonna do, let me see. I don't know how to make it any brighter, y'all. Did that do anything? A little bit. Okay. I numbered each bottle according to what's on the legend. Like on here it says number 1 is the B color. So I put number 1 and I put all the B color packet of beads in number 1. And so on and so forth. So right now I'm using the number 11 beads, which is a pretty blue. It's a light blue. And I'm doing a snowman. And they got this snow as blue, y'all. But it's turning out nicely. And I've been doing a section at a time. So I poured the beads in here. Shake them so most of the beads can fall the correct way. You want the flat side down. Okay. I also have some AB beads. Some I thought would, go with this blue. They're blue and they're really, really shiny. They don't have the same color number, but as far as I'm concerned, they match. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, got a couple different drill pins. Let me use this one and put some stuff in it. Where they glue it? The wax. Okay. Okay, when you get the wax, it has a plastic film over it. You have to take that off. Don't just think you can just use it. And this don't want to come off. Okay, there you go. Plastic film. I like to use the one with the tip that's bent like this, but that's okay too. So I'm going to dip that in there. My fingernail dipped in there. Dipping it, dipping it. I'm going to dip this side too, might as well. And all your kits are going to come with everything you need to work with your diamond painting. They all come with a kit like this. You get a tray. You get this little pink drill pen, and you get a pack of wax, like a square of wax. But I find that my hands got really tired using these little bitty things. So I upgraded to that and that. Okay, see how well this picks up. Okay, I have, somebody told me to use washi tape. I ain't got no washi tape, but I do have some masking tape. So I divided this drill painting, diamond painting. First I did half of it. I did the top half. Then I divided the bottom half in half with a thin sliver of masking tape that I won't have a problem taking off of here. So I'm going to put this on here. Y'all see this? That's my tray with the beads in it, or the drills. I'm going to lightly dip this in there, and that's going to pick up. You don't have to do it hard. It will pick up the bead because I just put that wax on there. So have to make sure the flat side will be touching the canvas. Okay, what letter am I looking for? I forgot. Okay, this is number 11. So what is number 11? J. So I'm looking for the letter J on the canvas. So I'm just going to find all the J's. There's a bunch of them left. And this dot, dot, dot. Stick it dot by dot, dot. And I don't mind. Now if you had well, I did see this diamond painting a couple years ago, and I couldn't imagine myself doing this dot by dot by dot. I got some of the shiny drills in here too. And when y'all hear me tapping that, that's to get it back on the right side, to flip it over. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing dot by dot. So I have to search. And this is good brain exercise. People of a certain age, you need to exercise your brain. Y'all even see what I'm doing. Just dot by dot, that's what I'm doing. And I glance at it to make sure this is flat. Because if you put it on upside down, then it's not going to shine. The shiny part is the curved part on the top. So, I don't know how much of this y'all want to see. And sometimes, to break the monotony of me just sitting here doing this, I pray. I pick up, like, if I'm doing the letter J, I think of the people in my life whose names start with a J. I pray for them folks. I also do my Bible verse ABCs. So I'm steady exercising my brain. Because I don't want to be around here not knowing who I am. And I find it easier to do this by sectioning it off a little bit, section by section, or even a smaller section than this. The very first diamond painting I did, I was all over the whole painting. And, you know, it seemed like it took a lot longer. It only took me 3 days to finish that, but I prefer to section it off. Now I did half of this, and I think that may have been too much. So I may start sectioning it off in the bite-sized pieces, okay? Completely finish a little bit here, and then go on to the next section to keep me encouraged, or to see progress. And don't ever take this plastic covering completely off, because if you have to put it up for a later time, you don't want dust and stuff to get on it, because this is very sticky. That's glue there. Okay, so you have to cover it back up. Actually cut this in half. So that's basically all I'm going to do right now, because I ain't sure how much y'all can see. But this is the canvas that I'm using my AB drills on. So this one will have bling. Got a lot of shininess going on here. Y'all can't see it. It ain't picking it up. Well, it will. So I'm doing a snowman, and it should be done today or tomorrow. I ain't no hurry. I ain't no rush to finish these. Okay, like I told y'all yesterday, I'm not going to put them on my wall. I'm going to put them in my portfolio. And maybe at Christmas time, I may take out the Christmas paintings and hang them up, display them for a little while. But I got my paintings all over the house. My real artwork, this is real artwork, but my art with the acrylic paint is all on the wall. So if I put any more stuff up, it will look junky and tacky. Now some people may say it looks junky and tacky already. So I'm not putting all these up. But I really enjoy working with the diamond painting. and I'm learning as I go, and I want to show y'all what I'm learning. So I want to thank you for going on this diamond painting journey with me. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye. I always need a thumbnail. This is a thumbnail. Okay, that's good. Bye for real now.